Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily and in today's video we are celebrating Trinity stamps. Trinity stamps has been around for 6 years and we are celebrating their birthday. So this is a really exciting month for Trinity, and of course the theme of this release is about the birthday theme. So you will see me create 3 different creations today using some of the smaller stamps from this month's release. So we have the Birthday Day Surprise. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It's like a punny sentiment on birthday surprise because it's a bear, you know. Yeah, right. And it's a little slow. That's the snail stamp down there. It's really cute. It's probably one of my favorites from this release. And then we have the Snappy Birthday, also a punny like sentiment with the crocodile there. So really cute. And I'm quickly coloring this in with my Olo markers. You can see I'm flipping my marker because I have like one darker and one lighter in both in the same marker. You can like twist these on and you can create custom make like which marker you're using. So that is how I have my arranged, and I am really liking these markers. I think it goes quick to color. It's not that many markers that has been released yet. I know that there is coming out I think it was 32 colors this like June. So go check that out if you like. But now I'm rambling. I am coloring in this pretty fast. I think I sped this up like 4 times or so. So you don't have to see me color all of this in. You can see I'm just alternating on my like birthday hat there, and then I'm filling in the balloon. So I have like all of the colors going across my image, and this is something I really like to do. If I know I want to have pink on all of my images, I can like color all of the things that's gonna be pink at one go. So I'm not coloring like one image from start to finish. I'm sort of mixing between all of my my images here, just to quickly color all of these in. And yeah, you can see this goes very quickly with the Olo markers, and these images are also very nice to color in. They are easy to color. You can see it has a ton of lines that you can follow if you like to know exactly where the shadows is. But mainly I'm just like sticking with the colors that I like. Yeah, so moving on here, I will use a new die set called Pull and Pop Box. This is really genius, and I will show you how this will like fit together. You can see I cut all of my images out there, and now I will go ahead and assemble. So you will cut one of all of these parts that comes in this pack. The larger one is the one that's gonna be sort of the box part that you're gonna pull. And you can see here I will take some liquid adhesive and like crease my longer sides here. I'm just using a bone folder to press it in place. Then I will attach my inner parts here so I can cover them up with that overhanging part. And then I can put some more adhesive to the top of this, and you can see I'm hiding it behind, just pressing this into place, making sure that I have the perfectly shaped box here. And that is also helpful with the bone folder, and when you're like pulling this over your flaps, everything will be really nicely attached. And you can see the front part there has a notch in it, and that will be helpful in a second to know which part is the front part and which part is the back part. So this is like the cover. You can see I'm taking some adhesive when I have the box inside the cover, so I know exactly where to like put the adhesive. And this is the moving mechanism part that will make this pull and pop. You have your part here, and the smallest tab you will attach to the front of your box, if that makes sense. and the bigger tab you will attach to the box part itself to the back. So here is the front part. I'm attaching that to the front of the box, or the cover I should say, and then I'm pulling my box inside, and you can see I'm having that notch that will mark what is the front of my box, and then I'm putting adhesive to my mechanism at the back. So now when I'm pulling this, you will see in a second that since I attached this to the cover in the front and the back in the box, when I am dragging this out, the mechanism will pop. So I hope this makes sense. I will share this one more. You can see how it looks. I created one in gray and two in white. So we have all of these ready to go. In this die set, there is also this piece that can act like your sort of the part that you will pull. You can see it there in gray. There is also these accent pieces that I cut out of some pattern paper that will decorate your box. And the one thing to notice here is that the longer side here you have to cut twice. The one with the knots, like the pulling tab side, and the back of this lid, back of this box I should say, they are all in, like you don't have to double cut them because there is one of each. So it's just the long side that you have to sort of think about. And here is that front part that I was talking about, the one that we will make move. Here you can have a simple message or whatever. I will have my images and then a sentiment on top of that will move when you are taking the box out. And I fibbled around, and I'm sorry I'm a little bit off camera here, but I think you get an idea of what I'm doing. I'm just taking some adhesive to the front flap and then I'm attaching it. And since I had 3 boxes, the first one was the one I struggled with to get a perfect placement, because I wanted my the cover here to be centered, but I actually had to have it a little bit further up to make the mechanism work the best. So that is something you will see here in my photos what I mean by that. And you can see I'm taking some sentiments that I embossed and heat set off camera that says Snappy Birthday. This also comes in that crocodile die set. And then I will attach this to my panel here with some foam dots, so it will have some more beautiful dimension. And then I will try to the best of my ability to line this up as straight as possible on top of this box. So there we go, we have our moving mechanism here, and I just think it's so adorable. We will create the second one as well. So I will just take some more foam to have some more stability behind it. So here you can see how it moves. I think it's so cute. Yeah, and here's the next one. I'm a little bit more on focus here, so that is good. So you see what I'm doing. I had this the box sort of pulled out, and that helped with the positioning of my front cover here. You can have a sentiment or something down there if you like to fill up that space. I decorated this box as well, and then I put some more glue. This is our last one, and yeah, it went faster and faster for every box that I did. The first one is always an experiment. You have to try out how everything is supposed to be before you decide. So my little snail here went on the white one. I think that was super cute, and happy birthday. Sorry about that. The happy birthday will go on top, and then I had some glossy accent from my stash, and I just covered the cake, the balloons, the candles, and I just think that was an adorable accent to my card. And then I had a bear on top of that blue paper. I thought I'd coordinated with his banner that says congratulations. Really cute. And here are our finished projects. I finished them up with some of the new embellishments from Trinity. There are these beautiful hearts. Go check them out. You can see here I will show you which mixes I used. I think they were so cute. I hope you got inspired to check out the rest of the release, and don't forget that this video is a part of a video hop to celebrate Trinity's 6th birthday. So I will have links down below for that one as well. There will be an Instagram hop also, so you can win some amazing prizes. And also I hope you got inspired to try this new box out. It was so much fun to create with, and you can pair it up with so many of your other like products that you have in your stash already to make them pop in such a cute way. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. I see you soon. Bye.